Paano nga ba manalo ng mga raffle sa mga events na a-attendan mo this end of 2024? Quick backgrounder, bakit bigla tayong nag-shoot ng video katulad nito? Dahil nga po sa lahat ng mga inattendan ko na mga major Christmas parties or year-end parties, lahat po ng mga yon ay nakapag-uwi ako ng major raffle prizes. And I've been assessing anong meron kasi before naniniwala nga ako na hindi talaga ako swerte at hindi ako nabubunot to the extent na pati yata exchange gift ay hindi na rin ako nabubunot. Now, I've realized po na whenever I attend a party, particularly this year, I don't expect anything. It pays na hindi mo alam na may paraffle pala, that's one. Pangalawa, kung alam mo man, you don't really worry na sana manalo ako. Kasi parang the moment you say that, na sana manalo ka, parang there's so much hope and in a way, you're pressuring yourself na dapat may maiuwi ka. That's one. Second, what I really realize and appreciate this year particularly is the fact that I am just joyful. Sabi nga, di ba, bilang ako ay the joyful entrepreneur, ang goal ko lang naman every time I attend a party is just to have fun and just be joyful. And I think yung aking energy ay sobrang taas in a way na kapag nalalaman kong may raffle, again, I don't worry. And at the same time, I just say na I'll enjoy. I will have a quick prayer, lalo na kapag, ayun nga, mag-raffle draw na sila, no? What I'll do is I'll think about, or rather, I'll pray and say na whatever's meant for me, I'm happy to accept. But I really don't think about these things. So going back to my point, and this is something that I encourage everybody to do, please, when you attend a party, whatever the party is, especially if you decided to go to or attend to, please make sure na you just enjoy. You know, you let yourself out there. Authenticity is so important. Kung sino ka, ipakita mo sa buong mundo, ipakita mo dun sa party, yung pinaka-importante na you are just joyful, you're grateful of all the people that you are with, you're grateful because, you know, there's that event where you get together with everybody. It's really that high energy or high vibe that you're throwing out there. And once again, based on the realization and evaluation that I've conducted, kasi nga, it's first time, no? Sa buhay ko po na talagang lagi akong nananalo. And ang masarap nga, I don't pressure myself thinking na I should bring something home. And it turns out, talagang makapag-uwi ako ng mga prizes. And so, I'm here to tell you na, again, mental wellness and part of that really is for you to just be joyful. Lalo na nga at nag-decide kang umattend at mag-spend ng oras mo sa mga parties na attend mo. So I am here telling and hoping na kayo din po ay manalo ng mga major raffle prizes ngayong 2024. Bakit? Kasi deserve mo. Deserve mong maging masaya. Una na yan sa lahat. So with that, wishing all of you a joyful holiday season.